Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2010 Case 440 with 3,265 hours. This skid steer has 83 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission. And it's equipped with high-flow hydraulics and a hydraulic coupler. The lifting arm has a capacity of 2,200 pounds and a 73-inch low-profile bucket. The tires are tubeless 12x16.5s with 80% rubber. The enclosed cab features climate control and rollover protection. If you're interested in this Case 440 and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.